This is a 30 by 40 duplex house with car parking and has plenty of options for rental, office, Airbnb, etc. I'll be taking you through all of this. This will be an inside tour. If you need plans for this, please do contact me if you like this design. So I'll be taking you through each of the floors separately. So the ground floor basically has 3 BHK with car park, and it is for the owner. The first floor will be a 2 BHK rental and a 1 room office space, and the second floor will be a 1 BHK studio and a 1 room with attached bathroom for rental. So all this is very well planned so that the owners can enjoy rental income from this property, as well as an income from an office space and an income from an Airbnb listing as well. So the ground floor is for the owners. So this is how the ground floor will look like. The entrance will be a car park followed by the main entrance. Now this is the living room. So you will have a living room of this size, and then this is the common area where this is the dining room, which has a outlet door for the balcony, and then there is an open kitchen like this. Okay, and now on the left hand side you see the master bedroom, and in the front you have the bathroom and the 2 smaller rooms. So we will be seeing all of that in a moment. So this is the master bedroom, which has an attached bathroom, and then provisions can be made for wardrobes and a TV unit as well. So that was the glimpse of the attached bathroom. Sorry, I couldn't show you more. Now these are the 2 smaller rooms, single rooms for the children. So they don't have an attached bathroom because the bathroom, the common bath, is right outside their rooms. So this is the another room. Okay, now this doesn't have a balcony, it is for the kids. Now this is the common bathroom. Okay, so this is the common bathroom space. So this is the ground floor with 3 bedrooms. Now coming to the first floor through the stairs, this is the common balcony, and then we enter the space. So this is a 2 BHK. So this is similar to the ground floor, except that there is 1 room less. Okay, so this one has the same living room. Okay, now on the left hand side you don't see many doors because there is only 1 master bedroom and 1 single room. So this is the common dining area, and then the balcony and the kitchen, and this is the smaller room. And this is the master bedroom with 1 attached bathroom. Okay, so there is only 1 bathroom here in the master bedroom, and there is no common bathroom. So this one is the office space with an attached bathroom. So there is no provision for cooking, but they have a balcony at the entrance. So this is a office space actually. Now coming to the second floor, now here you see 2 entrances. Now the first entrance is for the 1 RK. So there is a big room here, and then there is a private balcony. Okay, so this is the private balcony, and this also has an attached bathroom. So this can be given as an Airbnb rental. So this is for the Airbnb listing, and a small kitchen can also be set up. There is ample space, and this is the common space which is shared. Now this is the second unit, where it is a 1 room studio. So there is also provision for a small living room, and there is an open kitchen and a private balcony. So the best thing about this one is there are 2 balconies. One is a common balcony which can be accessed through the dining. So this is the one, and the other balcony is through the room. So this room has also attached bathroom. Okay, this is the attached bathroom, and then there is a balcony, private balcony. So this is the private balcony, which is closed on the other end. As you can see, there is a wall. Okay, so this is the whole unit. So if you need the plan, the 2D plan, the floor plan, you can contact me. If you have any custom requirements, then also you can contact me. If you want a 3D walkthrough for your 2D plan, then also I can do it for you. Just let me know. So this is how it looks. The exterior video is a separate video which I will link. You can see that. The best part is every floor, every unit has a balcony, a separate balcony of its own. It's very well planned, and it has income sources from long-term rental, office space and Airbnb. Thank you guys.